Hi, I'm Dr. Travis Owens with Airrosti, and today we want to show you a few exercises and stretches that you can do if you're experiencing neck pain. Let's get started. So the first activity we're going to do is using a lacrosse ball. Now we use a lacrosse ball similar to a foam roller by working on tight or tender muscles. For this particular area of the body, we're going to be using the lacrosse ball in the upper part of the shoulder or in these muscles here known as our traps. Take your lacrosse ball and find a doorway. We're going to place the ball against the doorway and we're going to hinge forward at the waist. Holding the ball with one of your hands, we're going to then lean your trap into the lacrosse ball. And we're going to hunt around that area of the upper back looking for tight or tender muscles. Once we find one, apply some slight pressure, not overbearing, but should be slightly uncomfortable. From there, we can go through things like head movements from side to side. We can move the arm that's free around to allow us to work a little bit more into those muscles. And again, when we do these, make sure that we're not feeling any numbness, tingling, or burning, or any other type of nerve sensation. Spend about 90 seconds to 2 minutes working on this activity. Our next activity is a three-way neck stretch. There are a lot of muscles from the front, the side, and the back of the neck, and when we're stretching it, we want to make sure that we get them all. So for this activity, we'll have you take a seat in a chair and anchor your hand on the seat to make sure that we don't lean with our upper body. From here, we'll take our head and lean our ear towards our shoulder directly to the side and hold this for 20 seconds. Once 20 seconds is up, we'll keep the sideways lean, but we're going to drop our chin towards our chest so that we feel the stretch a little bit more in the back side of the neck. Once 20 seconds is done there, we'll then elevate the chin towards the ceiling to feel a little bit more of a stretch on the front. Complete this on both sides or on the side that you're having the most discomfort. If you start to feel any numbness or tingling going down the arm, minimize the amount of lean that you have with the head so that we're not pulling on the nerves in the neck too much. Our last activity is actually a strengthening exercise. Now, a lot of what we've done so far is focused directly on the neck, but the shoulders and the chest can wreak havoc on the neck if we get tight and kind of in the turtle shell. So this strengthening exercise is designed to work on the muscles in the upper back to help pull our shoulder blades out of the way, not only giving us strength in the back, but also working on stretching the muscles in the front of the chest. So what we'll do is find an area on the wall. You can either use the bare wall, or if you have a foam roller, you can place that behind your back to get a little bit more range of motion. What we'll do is take our hands and open them out to the sides with our pinkies towards the wall. Squeezing back with our shoulder blades, we're going to try to slide the pinkies all the way up the wall, and then as we come down, we want to try to keep the pinkies touching the wall or as close to the wall as possible as long as we can. You should feel a good squeeze in between your shoulder blades and a good stretch through the front of the chest, and for this we recommend 10 to 15 slides up and down the wall. Thank you for joining us. We hope that these activities are helpful for you if you're having neck pain. If you are continuing to have pain despite trying these, click the link below to learn more about how we can help you in clinic or with our telehealth option, Airrosti Remote Recovery. For more videos like this, click the link above. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. We're always putting out new content just for you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.